Hey everyone, so over the past couple of months, I've tried out almost every popular email marketing software out there. In this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on each of them and tell you which one is best for your needs. So before we get into the video, I want to mention that this video is not sponsored by any of these services. I'm someone who has used multiple email marketing tools for my business. Also, I have spent countless hours researching and comparing these software options. So, whatever I will be sharing is based on my personal opinions and experiences. This video covers everything you need to make an informed decision on which service is the best for you. Now let's start the video. Following is the structure of a video. First, we will explore the following factors that you should consider when choosing an email marketing software: pricing, ease of use, deliverability, and customer support. Next, we'll move on to the elimination round, where we will discuss the email marketing softwares you should avoid using and explain why. And finally, we'll look at the remaining email marketing tools post-elimination round and find the best fit for your specific needs, be it for beginners, small business owners, affiliate marketers, etc. So let's dig in. So before we dive into the factors, I'd like to mention that I've added the sign-up links in the description for whichever service you decide to choose. By signing up, you can take advantage of free trials for these services with no payment required. So make sure to use the links in the description if you'd like to give them a try. Now, let's get into the factors you should consider. Pricing. Trying to compare the prices of different email marketing software can be a bit tricky, as many of these providers offer different tier plans, making it hard to compare them directly. For instance, let's look at ActiveCampaign and GetResponse. ActiveCampaign's cheapest plan gives you a strong email automation tool, but no landing page builder. On the other hand, GetResponse's cheapest plan doesn't have the automation tool, but it does come with a landing page builder. The better choice depends on what features you need. Nevertheless, here's a comparison of the prices for each provider. We're focusing on their lowest tier plans, which are designed for up to 2,500 contacts. We'll also consider the monthly payment option. Keep in mind that Brevo has a different pricing model. I've chosen their Lite plan, which comes with a monthly limit of 10,000 emails. So this comparison should give you a clear picture of how much they cost compared to each other. But again, the features that come with these plans vary between these different providers. So definitely check out the prices for yourself before making a decision. You can also try them out with a free trial before making a choice. Ease of use. Not everyone's a tech expert, so it's important to choose email software that's easy and doesn't need tech skills. In my view, MailerLite is the easiest. It's great for newbies who like things simple. It might not have all the advanced automation features like GetResponse or ActiveCampaign, but if you just want the basics for email marketing, MailerLite works well. It's easy to learn and use. Plus, they have a nice free plan. You can try it before paying. Deliverability. Imagine you put in hours creating an amazing email campaign, but what if a big chunk of your emails never reaches your subscribers' inboxes? That's where deliverability matters. If your emails go to spam or promotions, your hard work is wasted. Good deliverability gets your messages seen, boosting engagement and maximizing your results. To help you choose wisely, we tested and measured the delivery rates of all the popular email marketing software options. The numbers on the screen show their average deliverability rates over the last year and a half. MailerLite and ActiveCampaign seem to have the best deliverability overall, followed by Constant Contact and Mailchimp. The results of deliverability tests can fluctuate a lot from test to test, so it's important to take those numbers with caution and not rely on them completely. Consider them as rough estimates rather than precise figures. Customer support. When you come across technical issues or need assistance, having reliable customer support can be a lifesaver. Using my experience and the feedback I've received from users, I've created a list that shows when customer support is open and how well it works for these software programs. Based on what I've seen, GetResponse really shines in terms of support. They're there for you 24/7, day and night. Just a simple click starts a chat, and their team really knows their stuff. so they can genuinely assist and solve problems quickly. ActiveCampaign and MailerLite have also provided solid support based on my experience. Other options are decent, but they could improve by being more available and offering better assistance, as far as I can tell. Now, let's move on to the elimination round. So, in this round, we will look at some email marketing tools that I believe you should avoid using. I'll also give you the reasons behind my advice. First on the list is MailChimp. Though it's popular and shows up in searches, I wouldn't recommend it. Here's why. It's expensive compared to other choices, and its features aren't unique. Also, some reviews might not be reliable. Their Essentials plan is limited, and even the popular standard plan isn't worth the cost. Another issue is it doesn't support multiple opt-in forms, which limits your web page's flexibility. Don't be discouraged. Explore better options that offer more for your money. So, consider looking at alternatives that provide better value. Next up is Constant Contact. Constant Contact used to be really popular, but now it's not as good as before. It's missing the best marketing features, and the pricing isn't as affordable as it used to be. Figuring out who is right for has become hard. While lots of websites suggest it, I can't personally recommend it. A big problem is that you can't link a custom domain to a landing page, which hurts your chances of turning visitors into customers. Plus, they only let you use one pop-up and one inline form, which is a bit odd. Now, let's discuss Aweber. Should you use Aweber for email marketing? Well, in my opinion, I would say no. While it does have some good features, it doesn't really stand out when you consider everything. It's not the most affordable option, the free plan isn't the best, and it might not be the easiest to use. Especially if you're just starting out, it may not be the ideal choice. And it's also lacking the best e-commerce functions and advanced email automation capabilities. Moving on to ConvertKit. When we talk about ConvertKit, there are a few things you should think about. It has some good-looking templates for landing pages, but when it comes to emails, it can only handle basic text and a few images. This might not be enough if you want more options for your email marketing. Also, ConvertKit can be a bit pricey. If you're looking for something with similar features but a lower cost, alternatives like MailerLite and Brevo are worth exploring. Lastly, there's HubSpot. When it comes to using HubSpot for email marketing, remember a few key things. The design options for templates are limited, and customizing them can be a bit tricky. Basic plans lack A/B testing and detailed reporting. Plus, HubSpot tends to be pricier than other email tools. However, HubSpot really shines as a customer relationship management tool, CRM, not just for emails. If you need a strong CRM, HubSpot is a good fit. But for mainly email marketing, you might want to explore other options. And finally, the real question is, what should you pick? So after eliminating some options, we're left with 4 email marketing tools to choose from. We'll take a closer look at each of them to figure out which one is best suited for your specific needs. MailerLite. If you want an easy and cheap way to send emails and set up simple email plans, you should check out MailerLite. It's really easy to use and doesn't cost much. You can start with their free plan that has everything you need. Even if your list of emails contacts goes over 1,000, MailerLite is still the cheapest option. Compared to other choices, MailerLite gives you more for your money. So, if you need an affordable and good way to do email marketing, go with MailerLite. Brevo. If you're not sending lots of newsletters and want to save money, Brevo is a good option. Unlike other platforms that charge based on the number of people you send to, Brevo's price is based on the actual emails you send per month. So, if you have many subscribers but don't send too many emails, it could be cheaper. Brevo also offers useful CRM tools, especially for real estate. However, keep in mind that their customer service might not be the best. We tried reaching out, but they didn't respond. So consider this before choosing to use Brevo. ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is the ultimate choice for highly personalized and targeted email campaigns, offering advanced customization and automation capabilities in email marketing. With its exceptional features and top-notch deliverability, there's no need to switch to another provider. On top of that, ActiveCampaign provides outstanding customer support. making it the perfect all-in-one tool for those seeking advanced capabilities in email marketing. Give it a shot and watch your campaigns thrive like never before. GetResponse. GetResponse is a really great marketing platform. They have lots of cool designs for emails, so making attractive emails is easy. Their automation isn't as advanced as ActiveCampaign, but they still have useful automation features. What's really cool is their opt-in forms, special webinar stuff, and 24/7 chat support. So if you need help, they're always there. The best part is that they have a free tier that includes email marketing, automation, and basic landing page stuff. You can try it out for free and see if it works for your business. Overall, GetResponse is a solid choice for email marketing. Now, let's look at the best email marketing software options for specific purposes. Which service offers the best free plan? In my view, MailerLite and GetResponse have the best free plans. Both let you make sign-up forms, build landing pages, and send emails for free. With MailerLite, you can have 1,000 subscribers and send 12,000 emails monthly. They offer automations to send emails automatically, landing pages for forms, and reports to see how your emails do. The free plan has automatic responses and email support, but the templates are a bit basic. On the other hand, GetResponse's free version allows 500 subscribers and 2,500 emails. It has a website and landing page builder, plus many email templates, but you can only send 2,500 emails with 500 subscribers. The free version lacks marketing automation features. Which service offers the best experience for beginners? If you're just getting started, I've got 2 ways to assist you. One for folks who have no technical knowledge, and another for those who have some technical knowledge. For beginners with no technical knowledge, if you're new to email marketing and don't know about technical stuff, you can use MailerLite. It's easy for beginners and doesn't need coding. You can create nice emails by dragging things around. The good part is they have a free plan with important things like automation, landing pages, and reports. You can try it without paying. So if you're new and want something simple, go for MailerLite. For those with some technical knowledge, if you know a bit about technical things and want advanced features, you can try GetResponse. It's for tech-savvy people. It does fancy automation, detailed stats, and works with other tools. Just like MailerLite, GetResponse also has a free plan with basic automation and landing pages to explore. Which service offers the best experience for small businesses? For small businesses, having good customer support is really important when things get tough or you need quick help. If the issue is not fixed on time, it could mess up your business. That's where GetResponse comes in. They're always there to help, 24/7. No matter the problem, their special team is just a call or message away, so you're never alone. Plus, GetResponse has an easy-to-use website, even if you're not great with technical stuff. They also have tools that can do tasks automatically, which is super helpful for small businesses. It makes things faster and helps you connect with customers personally. With GetResponse's support, simple website, and automatic tools, your small business can grow and connect better with customers. Which service offers the best experience for affiliate marketers? When you're an affiliate marketer, picking the right email software really matters. Some services like MailChimp and ConvertKit don't support affiliate marketing, but there is GetResponse, a friendly option for affiliates. It's easy to make custom email campaigns with a simple interface and templates. You can even automate processes, helping your affiliate marketing and audience reach. With GetResponse, you can grow your affiliate business confidently, knowing it supports your goals and boosts success. It's a game changer for maximizing conversions and success in affiliate marketing. Which service offers the best experience for bloggers, content creators? If you're a blogger or content creator, the right email tool depends on what you need. If you want something user-friendly, affordable, and don't require advanced features, MailerLite is the best option. It's great if tech isn't your thing, and you don't need super fancy tricks. But if you have technical expertise and desire advanced automations, segmentation capabilities, and in-depth analytics, ActiveCampaign is the go-to choice. It offers more refined features for those who want to elevate their email marketing strategies to the next level. Ultimately, if you prioritize simplicity, affordability, and ease of use, MailerLite is the ideal choice. On the other hand, if you're looking for advanced features and customization options, ActiveCampaign is the best fit. Which service offers the best experience for WordPress? Picking the right email software for your WordPress site depends on what you need. There are two main categories to consider. Basic options. If you want something simple and easy to use that works smoothly with WordPress and provides basic features, then MailerLite is the one you should check out. It's user-friendly and comes with templates you can customize. This is perfect for folks who want to start with email marketing effortlessly. Advanced options. Now, if you're looking for more advanced stuff like automation and tailored campaigns, ActiveCampaign is the way to go. It connects seamlessly with WordPress, so you can use its strong automation tools to boost interaction and get more people taking action on your site. Let's have a quick summary of what we've discussed so far. Email marketing softwares for specific purposes. For free plan, MailerLite and GetResponse. For beginners, MailerLite. It's for those who are not familiar with technical aspects. GetResponse. It's suitable for those who have a bit of technical knowledge. For small businesses, GetResponse. For affiliate marketers, GetResponse. For bloggers, content creators, MailerLite. User-friendly and affordable. ActiveCampaign offers advanced features. For WordPress users, MailerLite for basic features. ActiveCampaign for advanced features. I hope this summary helps you in choosing the best email marketing software according to your needs. If you're still confused about which email marketing software you should go for, then here is the final conclusion. If you require pricing based on the number of emails sent and not by the number of subscribers, choose Brevo. If you need an advanced software which provides a wide range of tools with advanced automation capability, choose ActiveCampaign. If you need an advanced software but don't have high budget, choose GetResponse. If you need a basic software which is affordable and easy to use, choose MailerLite. That wraps up this video. I hope this breakdown of email marketing software helps you make an informed decision. If you're interested in trying out any of these services, I've included the sign-up links in the video description. By signing up, you can access free trials for these services without any payment required, making it a great opportunity to get started. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content like this. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.